Hello remote family, I am Jeff from Remote Agent. So I am back with second job lead of the day, and the opening I have is with this company Pathwise. This one is also a 100% a no phone job, and it's a 100% remote. So let's get into the job details. They are looking for operations associate. It's a part-time role and available all over the United States. So let's get into the job requirements. So you will owe the QA process within the TA program. You will manage Jira ticketing system. You will resolve issues related to the job search process, such as updating profiles and ensuring fellows are qualified. You will respond to communication from Pathwise staff within 2 business days in a professional and respectful manner and actively communicating delays, deadlines, etc. to Pathwise staff and fellows. And you should be available for work about 15 to 20 hours per week. So the qualifications required for the job role are 2 plus years in an operational function, ability to work with or quickly learn various technical platforms such as Google Suite, Jira, Slack, put their fellows first by having a passion for their mission and working collaboratively to pinpoint fellow issues to help them and land their dream job. A high consistentness and exceptional organizational and operational skills, a strong verbal and written communication skills, an ability to work collaboratively, autonomously, and manage ambiguity. A background in recruiting or knowledge of the job search process is a huge plus. So here are the benefits which you get: 100% remote work, 1099 role, and the pay range is anywhere between 20 to $25 an hour and flexible working hours. So this was a again 100% a no phone job which doesn't require any degree. So if you're interested in this job role, then please go ahead and apply for the same. I will share the link below in the description. So I hope so you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking for a work from home opportunity, whether it's a no phone or a phone job, then please subscribe to our channel because we daily upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day.